So to repot my plants, I am going to start with some activated charcoal. And the reason why I do this, there's a few reasons. One, it actually helps nutrients to the soil. It helps that you don't have to fertilize a lot. It also helps get rid of any bugs that might be in the soil. If you get new soil from the store or something, there's always chances of bugs. This helps with that. Then I also add diatomaceous earth to help with bugs as well. This helps with nutrients. This helps with not having to fertilize. It helps with water retention in the soil, and then this also helps with any sort of bugs that might be in the soil that you get from the store. So we take the charcoal. I already have the soil in the pot, so I put about a tablespoon in there. Again, depends on how big the pot's going to be. I'm going to sprinkle some diatomaceous earth. Mix it up a little bit. And now I'm going to take the plant carefully. This guy's ready for some new soil. There. And then I'll just top it up with fresh soil and water it and give him some sun. That easy. And as a bonus, if you have crock pots hanging around your house and you don't use them anymore, they're great for repotting your plants to larger pots because they're solid, they're sturdy, they're food grade, so it's not going to leach any poison to your plants. If you have any extra ones, it's a great pot.